Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a ThinkPad E16. This is going to be the Gen 2 Intel version. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing, power down your computer through the Start menu, make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access the bottom case screws. This video is laid out like an owner manual or an instruction manual, and I'll guide you through the process of accessing your components. There are 7 captive screws in this bottom case. Captive screws means that you'll unscrew them fully, but they won't actually come out of the case. The case may rise up a little in the corners, but the screws themselves will stay in, so don't worry if the screws are not coming out. After unscrewing all 7 screws, you're going to take a small, flat, plastic pry tool and insert it at the seam of the bottom case in the computer near one of the back 2 corners. After lifting it up slightly from one of those 2 corners, you'll be able to proceed down here with another pry tool and get this section off and then start unclipping the rest of the bottom case. Once you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any assistance with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, the E16, there will be a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all the tools and supplies that I use, as well as all those replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. Now, before touching anything in a computer, it's always best to unplug your battery first. A computer is safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. This is your battery right down here. It's held down by these 3 screws near the red arrows, and it plugs into the motherboard here near the green arrow. To unplug it, you would simply pull it to the left out of that motherboard port. Keep in mind with any wires or cables in a computer, try to apply pressure to the wires as little as possible. Try just to grip the plug in the port. You don't want to pull the wires right out of the plug or damage it. Your Wi-Fi card is right here underneath your fan. It's held in by a single screw to the left, plugs into the port right here. After unscrewing it, you have these antenna wire. Those are just snaps. They snap directly on top of the Wi-Fi card. So you just pull them straight up and off, and they'll snap off of that card. To get it back on, though, they do need to be at a perfect 90-degree angle to snap back on, and you are strong enough to damage them if they're not at the right angle and you try to force it. So just be patient. It could definitely be a pain in the butt if you're not used to it, but you will be able to get those on. I will have a replacement Wi-Fi card below in the description in that link I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. But I will also have the Wi-Fi card specs below in the description if you want help finding your own card. Also, if you're here because you're not seeing your Wi-Fi options, if you're searching for it and you can't locate your Wi-Fi options, it's probably not a bad card. You probably need to update your drivers. I will have a video link above, also below in the description. It'll be a tutorial showing you how to get the right driver so you can access your Wi-Fi options. And since you're here inside your computer, if you would like help upgrading your storage or your memory, get some more performance and speed out of your computer, check out one of these 2 videos at the end and they'll help you out. But that's the end of this video, how to get in the E16 Gen 2, access your Wi-Fi card.